ServiceGuru, Service Professional Network. Get strong brand exposure in the counties you service. Get more leads, close more deals. What is ServiceGuru? ServiceGuru is a marketing tool for your local business. It's a search engine for service providers. Lead generation pain. Business owners struggle with the following: low conversions. Your website is not converting enough leads. Lack of exposure. Your website and Google Maps focus only on one area, your main address. High marketing costs. The price to market your service on the search engines is expensive. Dependence. You are dependent on the search engines to be visible. What makes ServiceGuru different? Exclusive membership. Never compete on leads with other vendors. All the leads are yours. Free leads. All the leads you will get will be at no additional charge. They're free. Small membership fee applies. High exposure. As a guru on the platform, you will get exclusive exposure in your county. The ServiceGuru engine will generate a landing page with your branding for each city you service. ServiceGuru versus other platforms. Let's compare ServiceGuru with other lead generation platforms. With other platforms, you pay for leads. You compete with other service providers, and you get a small listing. With ServiceGuru, leads are free. You are exclusive in your niche, and you get tons of landing pages, depending on your county. Our solutions. End-to-end market your brand with programmable local landing pages. Discover. Market your service covering all the cities in the counties you service. Exclusivity. No other company can advertise the same service in your counties. Exposure. Your brand will be visible on all major search engines and third-party sites. Leads. All the leads you will receive will be free. Vendor portal. By signing with ServiceGuru.io, you will also get the following: receive leads to email and portal. Calendar will help you schedule appointments. Add keywords that you want to be found online. Receive referrals from other vendors in the network. Send estimates straight from your portal. Make money. Send referrals to other vendors and get paid. Interactive dashboard to analyze performance. Get a group discount as a network member. Pricing? One county membership, $105 per month, including landing pages for every city of selected county, exclusivity, 24/7 support, vendor portal, and no contract. For a breakdown example, Broward County, located in Florida, for $105 per month, you will get 24 landing pages for every city. One landing page will only cost you $4.30 per month. You can add as many counties as you wish as long as it's available. After a county is taken, no other company can register. ServiceGuru, Service Professional Network. Act now while your niche is still available. Join the family. ServiceGuru.io.